Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add custom fields in Asana. All right. First up, go ahead and log into your Asana account. Now, once you're in here, just select the project. For example, this YT project right here. I'll say, for example, that you are under board view or timeline view, okay, or even on dashboard. There's no such option or a clickable button here that says add a custom field. All you have to do is just go ahead over to list view. All right. Now click on the plus sign right here. As you can see, it says add field. All right. Just click on it. And as you can see here, we have a ton of options. We have single select, multi-select, or multiple choices, date, people, text, number, formula, ID, time tracking, and more. Okay. Let's say, for example, I'm going to add in blocking or block by or even tags. Okay. I'm going to click on tags. As you can see here, it's been added. If I add in some more, like for example, number, ask here if it's hours, cost, amount, or other. For example, in this for a contact. All right. And the format would be number, decimal places 1 or 0, like that. Hit on create, like that. Okay. And that's basically how you add custom fields in Asana. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.